Now Arjuna says, Iti Arjunam Vasudevastatoktva Swakam Rupam Darshayam Asa Bhuyaha Aswastyam Asacha Bhitamenam Bhutva Punas Saumya Vapur Mahatma. Now, as requested by Krishna showed his 400 form. His 400 form as a son of Devaki with the complexion of blue lotus with beautiful form. He again cherished Arjuna with his 400 form. Now, after seeing this form, Arjuna says like this. He says that Drishtvedam manusham rupam tava saumyam janardana idinam asmi samvritta sacheta prakritim gataha. He says, Krishna, am I okay? Because after seeing this form, I feel little free. I feel little comfortable. Otherwise, when I saw your form, Vishwarupa, I don't know what happened. My mind was reeling. I was going crazy. Am I okay? I am that same Arjuna, or anything changed in me? Am I okay? So he's asking that I don't know what happened to me when I saw that form. I become completely disturbed. Now I feel little bit relaxed. By seeing your Manushya Rupa, he says, Drishtvedam Manushya Rupam. He says, by seeing your human-like form, I become little relaxed. Then Krishna says, don't think this Manushya Rupa. Don't think this Shyamasundar Rupa, it's an ordinary Rupa. He says, Sudhurdarasham idam Rupam Drishtvan Asiyan Mama Deva Api Asya Rupasya Nityam Darashana Kamshinaha. Arjuna, don't think this form is a just human form. This form is very difficult to see also. Maybe because you are very used to it, to see this form, you are seeing this as a Manushya Rupa. But even demigods, they are longing to see this form. He says, Nityam Darshana Kamshinaha, Devam Api Asya Rupasya. Even demigods, they have to do so much tapasya to see this form. You can see the lords, you can see the demigods, they have assembled here above the clouds. Do you think they have assembled to see your fight? No, they have assembled to see how I am driving this chariot, how I am riding this horse, how I am playing in this battlefield. They all assemble to see my beauty. They don't assemble to see this war field or your skillness in fighting. They have assembled to see my form. This form is very rare, and this Tara, when Bali was killed, Tara, she comes, she started crying, and as soon as she saw the form of Rama, she immediately started to glorifying Lord's form. And also same with Mandodari also. When Ravana was killed, she came crying, shouting and beating on her chest. But as soon as she saw Rama, she was glorifying Lord's Rama's form. So the form of Lord, the 200 form, Manushya Rupa, is not very simple. It attracts everyone, and even for demigods, it is very difficult. So this form of mine, it is very difficult even for demigods to see. That's what Krishna says here. And then he says again, Naham Vedairna Tapasana Dhanena Chayejaya Sakyam Evam Vido Drashtum Drishtvan Asima Yitaha. So this form of mine, it is not possible to see by study of Vedas, by austerity, by charity, or by worship. It is possible to see this form only like you are seeing me. Because you have devotion to me, you have love to me, so that's why you are able to see me. So similarly, if anybody wants to see my form, they should also have this devotion. Otherwise, without devotion, they cannot see me. Bhaktiva tvananya sakya aham eva vidorjuna jnatum drashtum cha tatvena praveshtum cha parantapa. He says, Bhaktiva tvananya sakya. He says, Ananya Bhakti. Only by pure devotion service, somebody can see me. Without pure devotion service, Bhaktya Tvananya Sakya Aham Eva Vidorjuna. Only by pure devotion service, Nyatum, they can understand me. Drashtum, they can see me. Tatvena, in reality. And Praveshtum, they can enter inside me or they can attain me. So only by devotion service, they can understand me, they can see me, they can join me in my spiritual world. Otherwise, it is impossible to see me in this form. So Krishna concludes his Vishwarupa in this way. This Vishwarupa, it's very great, but above this Vishwarupa, this form of me as Shyamasundara, Krishna Rupa, this form is even more great because Arjuna's eyes was tinged with prema. So with prema chakshu, he is not able to, he cannot see this Vishwarupa. So in order to see Vishwarupa, Krishna has to take away this prema, this love from his eyes, so that he can see this Vishwarupa. That's why Krishna is considered as the origin of all kinds of rupas. If you see in Brahma Samhita, Yat Karanana Vajale Bhajati Sma Yoga Nidram Ananta Jagatanda Saroma Kupa Adara Shakti Mavalambya Param Samurtim Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. The Lord is the origin of that Karanodaka Sai Vishnu. Karanodaka Sai Vishnu means from his pores, from his skin pores, the universe are coming out. That's why it's called Karanodaka Sai Vishnu. So Lord Krishna is the origin of that Karanodaka Sai Vishnu also. That's why even in Gopal Tapani Upanishad, we have this beautiful mantra, Satchidananta Rupaya Krishnaya Klishtakarine Namo Vedanta Vedyaya Gurave Buddhi Sakshine. That this form of Krishna is the origin of all other forms of Vishnu. Krishna Havai Paramam Deivatam. This is what Gopal Tapani Upanishad is. Again, in Brahma Samhita says, Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. Then Shukadeva Goswami also he praises about Lord's form in Bhagavatam. That is Sudha Goswami. He says, Ete Cham Sakalapam Saha Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Of all the forms of Lord, Krishna is called Swayam Bhagavan, and from him all the incarnation, all the avatars and all the amshas are getting emanated from Lord. Matta Parataram Nanyate. Krishna very clearly says in Bhagavad Gita by himself, Matta Parataram Nanyate Kinchit Asti Dhananjaya. There is no one above me and no one is equal to me. Aham Adirihi Devanam. I am the origin of all kinds of demigods. Param Brahma Paramda Pavitram Paramam Bhavan. So Ityadi shlokas, it shows that Lord Krishna is the origin of everything and from him everything emanates. And that form is shown in Vishwarupa. So by seeing this Vishwarupa, Arjuna got fearful. Even when Lord was showing his Narasimha Rupa, even Lakshmi was fearful. By seeing this form, Lakshmi said, I don't know who is this person, he is not my husband at all. So she was so fearful by seeing this Lord's Narasimha Rupa. If she is fearful of Lord Narasimha Rupa is just a part of this Vishwarupa. In Vishwarupa, all the forms were existing. So even for this Narasimha Rupa, if she is fearful, then what to speak of this Vishwarupa? This Arjuna was fearful. Then his bhava got changed. He came from his Sakya bhava to Adbhuta bhava to Dasya bhava. Then Krishna has to restore his bhava by showing his beautiful Shyamasundara form again. So this Shyamasundara form or Krishna's form is considered as the highest because it gives highest bliss. And in this form only we can develop different kinds of loving relationship with Krishna. That's why this form is considered as highest. And in this form, Krishna is very happy. The Lord is very happy in this Krishna's form. Otherwise, in other forms, it's very official. Like a person who is working as a collector or he's a leader of some state, he may be having this respectful roles, but he is more happy to be recognized as the father of his loving son or the lover of his beloved or the son of his parent. So that is how he wants to be recognized. For outside people, he may be a very respectful, awful person, but as soon as he comes inside his home, he likes to be loved. He likes to be treated very affectionately. So that's how Krishna's form is. He has many forms. By this form, he creates, he maintains, he destroys, he's taking care of everything. But when he wants to enjoy, he comes in Krishna's form. So Krishna is more pleased in this form, and devotees also can serve Krishna in this form only very happily. In Krishna's form, you can serve Krishna in Santa Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhurya rasas. All kinds of rasas are accepted by Krishna. Raso Vaisaha. Krishna is the abode of all the rasas. Other forms, they have only few rasas. With Rama, you can show maximum Dasya rasa, Sakya rasa. Even those who are sakas, even those who are friends, they were standing like a dasas. They were not very close to Krishna. But in Krishna Leela, you can see everybody is playing with Krishna left and right, upside, up and down. They were teasing Krishna, and sometimes they used to jump above Krishna. They used to carry Krishna, and sometimes Krishna has to carry them. So all these sweet relationships are only possible with Krishna. That's why Krishna is considered as the supreme person. Otherwise, in Paratva, there is no difference. In Rasatva, in Rasatattva, we can see Krishna is the highest.